How do you remember the end of the war? Do you remember the day you knew that the war is over?
Yes. I remember I was going to school. It was May 9th. It was May 9th. It was a nice, sunny summer day. And I went to school, and on the way, I bumped into my uncle, my mother's brother. They ended up over there too. And he hugged me and kissed me. And he says, the war is over. I just heard on the radio, he says that the war is over. Oh, it was such a big day. So we survived. We survived. And then it was in June. In August, me and my mom, my mom decided to go back. I don't remember about my grandparents and the rest of the family, but I remember me and my mom, we boarded a cattle car. It was a cattle car, yes, and it took us months. When we came to Odessa with my mom, and the building where we lived before the war was destroyed, we didn't have where to live, so on and so forth. There was a lot of destruction. There was a lot of buildings which were destroyed, a lot of ruins. And I remember on the outside walls, there was like a stamp saying, no mines. Checked, no mines. Mm-hmm. It meant that it is safe.
Yeah.
It is safe. And it was spooky. There was no lights, and it was the main street in Odessa is being called Deribasovskaya. So I don't think there was any destructions over there. But my school I went to was at a different location before the war. Now it was located at a residential building. And I don't remember there was no toilet in my school. So we went to I remember there was a big building which was ruined on this corner of the street, and the next corner of the street, across the street, there was a building which was destroyed. It was just ruins. So we went there, and children were playing in these ruins, and some people were killed because there were some leftover, some mines left over which were didn't explode during the war. Some kids were killed, boys, a lot of, there were cases like that. And it was so spooky, It was so spooky. And I remember I did my homework with the candle, with the kerosene lamp, because there was no light.